Today I'm here to talk to you about one of the most amazing creatures on the planet, bees. Bees are responsible for pollinating a large majority of the food we eat and the plants we love, and yet they often get overlooked. So, let's take a closer look at the amazing world of bees. Part 1. Biology. Bees are fascinating insects that come in many shapes and sizes. There are over 20,000 species of bees, which range from small solitary species to social species like honeybees and bumblebees. Bees have specialized body parts that make them well equipped for their job of collecting nectar and pollinating flowers. These body parts include long tongues for drinking nectar, special hairs for collecting pollen, and 4 wings for flying. Part 2. Behavior. Bees are incredibly social creatures. Honeybees live in large colonies with a queen bee at the head. The colonies are organized into different groups of bees that have different jobs, such as foragers, guard bees, and nurse bees. Bumblebees also live in colonies, but they are much smaller and more loosely organized than honeybee colonies. Part 3. Importance. Bees are responsible for pollinating a large majority of the food we eat and the plants we love. Without bees, many of our favorite fruits, nuts, and vegetables would not be available. Bees are also important for maintaining a healthy ecosystem. They help to keep plants and animals balanced, and they help to produce oxygen. Conclusion. Bees are an amazing and fascinating creature. They are responsible for pollinating the majority of the food we eat, and they are essential for maintaining a healthy ecosystem. I hope that this video has helped you to better understand the importance of bees and the incredible world of these amazing insects. Thank you for watching. For more video content, please do subscribe the channel.